Have you ever made flourless chocolate brownies? Let me show you how I made these decadent 5-ingredient, gluten-free, low-carb brownies. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can always stay updated on all of my latest videos. We will start off by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Now, in a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup of chocolate chips and a stick of butter. We will microwave this for 2 minutes at 30-second intervals. At each interval, you want to give this a good mix. Now, I am using semi-sweet chocolate chips today, but you can use any kind of chocolate chips of your choice. Now that this is nice and smooth, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, or you can substitute with any low-calorie sweetener of your choice. We will also be adding 3 eggs to this, but we have to add 1 egg at a time and whisk after adding each egg. Finally, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now just mix until it is fully incorporated into the batter. Lightly grease your baking dish. It helps the parchment paper stick on there better. We will place a parchment sheet on this and pour all of our batter into the baking dish. Now it is time to place this in our hot oven. We will bake it at 350 degrees for around 30 minutes. And 30 minutes later, our amazing brownies are ready. We will allow this to cool in the dish for about 15 minutes and then remove from the dish. Let's slice these up now. Let me show you how moist and rich these turned out. They smell fantastic. See how easy it was to make these brownies? I cannot wait to dig in. You can literally see the richness and intense chocolatey texture. Now, if you did like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. I will see you soon with some more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.